Hello, and thank you for watching our video today. My name is Enzo Costa, and I'm here at Patrick BMW in Schaumburg, Illinois. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new, completely redesigned, 6th generation 2012 3 Series sedan. The 3 Series is available in two different engine sizes, the 328i and the 335i. Also, brand new for this year is 3 different trim levels. There's the modern line trim level, the luxury line trim level, and the sport line trim level. The car in front of you that you see is the 328i modern line trim level. Let's take a look under the hood. Now, before I talk about the new innovative motor of the 328i sedan, let me tell you a little bit about our warranty. We offer a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. In addition to the warranty, we also offer free maintenance for all big components in the vehicle, as well as BMW roadside assistance. Now let's talk about the engine. This vehicle comes equipped with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine. It has 240 horsepower at 255 foot-pound of torque. It goes 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds. Now, you look at an engine like this and you wonder to yourself, with all that power, how's the fuel efficiency? Well, the fuel efficiency is best in its class. This car gets 24 miles per gallon city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. Now folks, let's look at the exterior of the completely new redesigned 328i sedan. If you notice here, the traditional BMW kidney grills are now slanted forward, and the headlights are connecting to the kidney grill. Also offered is the LED lighting on them. If you notice here, all of our 3 Series sedans now come with air intakes for optimal aerodynamics. The lower portion of the bumper is now raised up for more clearance as well. Now let's take a look at the interior. Folks, in my opinion, the engineers that redesigned this interior knocked the ball out of the park. As you can see, the interior is completely redesigned on this vehicle. As I spoke to you before, there are 3 distinct trim levels on the 3 Series sedan. We are currently in the modern line trim level. As you can see on the modern line, a couple distinct features are the etched wood, as well as for the first time ever, the iDrive system comes standard, as well as a screen. Some additional features that were currently in the 5 Series and brought along to the 3 Series are active blind spot detection, heads-up display, park distance, and lane departure warning. Now folks, besides all the new features that BMW is offering on this current vehicle, we also have our traditional features: navigation, connected drive, Bluetooth, voice activation, heated steering wheel, heated seats, 8 gig hard drive to download music. We have illuminated door sills, illuminated window buttons, illuminated steering wheel buttons, and automatic lights. Now folks, have you ever gone to the trunk of your vehicle with your children in your arms, 2 bags of groceries, maybe a golf bag, and you're trying to search for your key in your pocket or maybe even your purse, and you're trying to figure out how you're going to ever open that trunk? Well, here's one of the best features of this vehicle, one of my favorite features of this vehicle, and it proves that the engineers have thought of everything. It is a complete hands-free trunk opening feature. All you have to do is position yourself below the license plate of the vehicle, put your foot underneath the bumper and lift back, and the trunk will open. It's one of my favorite features of the vehicle. Now, another key important feature of the new 3 Series is that the vehicle is 4 inches longer. That also gives you a complete 1 cubic foot increased trunk space. It goes from 12 cubic feet to 13 cubic feet. I'd like to thank everybody today for joining us and watching our video. My name is Enzo Costa, and go online and watch some of our other videos as well.